If you want to fall, fall in Dior. On February 24, 2013, at the 85th Academy Awards, Jennifer Lawrence ascended the stairs to accept her Oscar for Silver Linings Playbook. In a moment that would become legendary, her voluminous Dior gown caused her to trip, leading to a graceful fall. The audience gasped, and the internet exploded with memes and admiration. Despite the stumble, Lawrence's composure and humor turned a potential mishap into an unforgettable fashion moment. The gown was designed by Ralph Simons for Christian Dior Couture. His piece was one of his final creations for Dior, showcasing his minimalist and modern approach to the brand's classic elegance. Crafted from pale pink silk brocade, the dress featured a strapless, voluminous silhouette that complemented Lawrence's poised demeanor. The gown's intricate detailing and luxurious fabric highlighted Dior's commitment to craftsmanship and innovation. The Oscar ceremony was a star-studded event, with notable attends such as Jessica Chastain in Armani Privé, Anne Hathaway in Prada, and Charlize Theron in Dior Couture. Jennifer Lawrence's appearance in the Dior gown stood out, not only for its design, but also for the memorable fall that occurred on stage. Her graceful recovery and genuine reaction endeared her to audiences, making the moment one of the most talked about of the night. Today, the Dior gown Jennifer Lawrence wore to the 2013 Oscars is part of the permanent collection at the Academy Museum of Motion Pictures in Los Angeles. Visitors can view the dress up close, experiencing firsthand the elegance and craftsmanship that made it an iconic piece in fashion history. The gown's inclusion in the museum underscores its cultural significance and lasting impact on the fashion industry. The combination of Jennifer Lawrence's poise and the gown's design turned a simple fall into a defining moment in Oscar history. The incident highlighted the unpredictable nature of live events and the grace with which Lawrence handled the situation. Over the years, the gown has been celebrated in various fashion retrospectives, solidifying its place as one of the most memorable red carpet moments of all time. She fell, she laughed, and she made history, all in Dior. Because in fashion, grace isn't about never falling, it's about how you rise after. If you want to fall, fall in Dior. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of fashion's most iconic moments, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content. Leave a comment below with your favorite red carpet moment and join us next time on Craze Couture for more fashion history.